Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to get Griffith Anime Vanguards easy step by step. Start by collecting required currency, timing your attempts, and tracking drop windows closely. Focus on one method at a time and avoid random farming that wastes resources. Use recommended loadouts and boosts to increase drop chances, and keep notes on spawn patterns to refine your approach the next run. Here are the best farming methods to prioritize for efficient grinding. Start with missions that list increased drop rates and complement them with boosts or consumables. If group mechanics increase spawns or share rewards, coordinate runs with friends or guildmates. Always equip gear that improves drop modifiers and run speed so each attempt yields better outcomes and saves overall time and currency. Quick recommendation time. If you like reading between grind sessions, the Kindle Paperwhite is a great companion for downtime with crisp display and long battery life. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so we can make more helpful videos. I added the Kindle link and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Timing matters more than raw playtime when chasing rare vanguards. Note event windows and daily resets that alter spawn probabilities and plan attempts accordingly. Conserve stamina and resources to concentrate attempts during those peak periods for better efficiency. If the game has peak traffic effects on spawns, shift a few runs to overlap those times and monitor results to iteratively improve your success rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.